What? You've got like an hour. It's not dinner time.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
We don't bark this early. Now, what did I just say? No attitude. Hey, get down. Bubba, get up.
Get off. Get off. Get off.
What do you want?
No, not the laptop. Nope, that's Mama's hair tie. Mama's hair tie.
What are you doing?
What?
Excuse me? Have you just thrown them cushions on the floor and destroyed them all?
Inside. Bruno.
You're not allowed on. No, I said no. No. Hey. What are you doing?